U.S. crypto policy shakeup, new ETF rules and project, crypto big news out of Washington. The SEC is pushing new rules that could open the floodgates for crypto ETFs, and a groundbreaking initiative called Project Crypto is about to transform how the U.S. handles digital assets. Could this mean Dogecoin, Solana, and XRP ETFs are finally coming? Let's break it all down. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss these critical updates. This is the news that can move the market. 1. What's changing with ETFs? SEC's new generic listing. Standards expected coins. Dogecoin, Solana, XRP, Trump coin, and more. Goal: faster approvals, more transparency, reduced barriers for years. Crypto ETFs have been slow and selective. Mostly Bitcoin, a few Ethereum. But this change could mean altcoins finally get their chance on Wall Street. 2. Why now? U.S. crypto adoption, rising pressure from institutional investors, election cycle and political influence, Trump administration's stance. 3. Project Crypto explained SEC chair. Atkins's initiative, simplify crypto classifications, encourage tokenized securities, support super apps, trading, staking, lending in one platform. This is not just about ETFs. Project Crypto wants to reshape the entire digital asset ecosystem in the U.S., making it easier to trade, stake, and even borrow against crypto legally. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this analysis, smash that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. Which coin do you want to see as an ETF first? 4. Impact on top coins. Dogecoin, meme coin, ETF potential. Solana, fast-growing ecosystem, strong institutional interest. XRP, lawsuit behind, ETF buzz ahead. Trump coin, politically fueled meme. Crypto 5, risks and concerns. Overregulation fears. Possible market manipulation. Timeline uncertainty. Late September is a target, not a promise. 6. Final analysis and predictions. Short-term, increased speculation on altcoins. Mid-term, ETF approvals could bring huge liquidity. Long-term, Project Crypto may establish the U.S. as a global crypto leader. This is one of the biggest regulatory shifts we've seen in years. ETFs for Dogecoin, Solana, XRP, it's finally becoming real. If you want more updates like this, subscribe now, share this video,